Traffic is moving steadily on I-95 at this hour in Prince William County. It's a far cry from just a day ago when hundreds of drivers were stuck for more than 24 hours.
Yeah, and while drivers are no longer stranded on I-95, the surrounding areas are still recovering from that standstill. We told you how the interstate was closed between Dumfries to Rutherford Glen after the snow made roads too treacherous to drive. That 40-mile stretch you're looking at right there cut through multiple communities. Our Matthew Torres is live in Triangle, Virginia tonight in Prince William County. And Matthew, that community was dealing with a lot, from this influx of drivers being detoured onto their streets to many businesses having to shut down, right?
And Lorenzo, with the stranded drivers that are gone now, the smaller communities along I-95 are still dealing with the effects of the snow storm. And with another round of snow expected this week, concerned residents are making sure they are more prepared this time around.
Gyro over rice, okay?
At Triangle Fried Chicken,
Thank you.
business is finally reaching a sizzling point again. The snowstorm this week forcing them to close Monday, even though they reopened doors the next day.
It was only me and my wife. We work alone and we had a line all the way outside the door.
But in a community that sits along Interstate 95, owner Wahid Hashimi says the shutdown shut out much needed supplies.
We didn't got our supply yesterday, the day before yesterday, and today too.
He's hoping to get deliveries soon before another round of winter weather rolls in.
Yeah, but we have to be prepared for it. Yesterday working, we had 24 hours, no sleeping, nothing.
This plow truck driver is shifting gears again to prepare for another potentially hazardous day after navigating a traffic nightmare this week.
We are ready for Friday. Everything is okay, but this snow when it's coming, nobody knows come that much snow.
But as neighbors are still taking care of the big projects, Donna Rodriguez
Haven't done laundry since like 3 weeks.
is taking care of the small things while she can.
Well, I'm really excited because I needed to wash clothes because I had nothing to wear.
A laundromat finally reopening seems more important when you lose access.
Today is a better day compared to what we have had in the last 24 hours.
It was a rough couple of days for residents, but Tanya Russ says members of the community have shown support and continue to do so even when Mother Nature can be unpredictable.
I think this is just the beginning of just a mess that we'll all be okay. God bless everyone.
And at one point this week, it got so severe with weather conditions that there were really only two food options available, a 7-Eleven and a McDonald's. And at McDonald's, they had a wait time up until 40 minutes, especially with those stranded drivers that were descending on this smaller community. Of course, things are a lot better this time around. Neighbors here really just fearing that hopefully that the conditions won't be so icy this time around. Reporting live in Triangle, I'm Matthew Torres, WUSA 9.
You know it's bad when you essentially have to make reservations at a McDonald's. Matthew, thank you.